It is almost 12, and behind me is a sea of people who have come out in huge numbers demanding the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. And as you can see for yourself, the numbers are only increasing. People are walking into the protest site and they have no intentions of calling it a night. There's still sloganeering that is ongoing, and there are songs that are being played in different parts of the protest site.
We are here to protest regarding the education minister that he should give his istifa, the resignation. But after getting out from the Jantar Mantar, the Delhi police start beating to us, and I got hurted by Delhi police male officer who is not having his the name tag also, and they are wearing the vardi dress in blue and khaki vardi. And I think they are not the Delhi police; they are the BJP's gunda, the terrorist.
बस देखकर देश के हालात, बच्चों के हालात देखकर पता चल रहा है कि देखो क्या हो रहा है आजकल। ये बच्चे मेहनत कर रहे हैं, इतना पढ़ रहे हैं, लिख रहे हैं, इतने मतलब कैसे कैसे लोग, मतलब गरीब लोग हैं इतने, उनके माँ बाप कैसे रिक्शा चला रहे हैं, और यहाँ पेपर लीक हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद में वो बच्चे मर जाते हैं, कोई सुसाइड कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है।
You can see behind me that they have all the intent to stay through the night. There's sloganeering, speeches, and songs of nationalism, and in some corners, a bit of dancing as well. This, despite the police brutality and action, as well as the reports of the use of pellet guns on the protesters. I spoke to some of the leaders of the movement and the organizers, and they made it absolutely clear that they have no intentions of budging till the education minister resigns, and they are confident that the government has no option but to relent.
Kind of brutality meted out at our students, young protesters, young women, our own volunteers who are helping them manage the crowd. They lost all levels of brutality. I think they have lost all levels of sameness. I think that one of the reasons why the people here are just increasing is because they are so infuriated with the police. The way Delhi police that it's around 20 years. Four demands: Sonam Wangchuk's release, Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation, 1 crore compensation for NEET aspirants who committed suicide, and no FIRs of police cases on protesters.